Hey there! In this video, we'll be taking a quick tour of RightCapital's mobile app. Even when you don't have access to a computer, you can still link your accounts, view your investment portfolio, stay on top of your monthly budget, and even upload files to your vault, all from your smartphone. If you have an iPhone, you can download the RightCapital app for free from the Apple App Store. If you have an Android, you'll be able to do the same from the Google Play Store. Once installed, you'll be able to log into the mobile app using the same username and password that you use to log into the desktop version of RightCapital. After logging in for the first time, you can choose to set up the app to sign in with Touch ID or Face ID going forward. There are a total of 5 tabs that you might see within the mobile app. The first of these is the dashboard, which offers a high-level overview of your current financial picture. You'll see your total net worth at the top of the page, the probability of success for your proposed plan in the center, and the balances for all of your accounts and loans at the bottom. You can tap on a given accounts category to view all of the items within, along with their individual balances. You can even tap on an individual account to view more specific information, like holdings within investment accounts. This can be a great way to keep tabs on all of your account information all in one place. In addition to viewing your accounts here, you can also link new accounts to your RightCapital plan right within the mobile app. This can be done by tapping the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. If you're unfamiliar with the process of linking accounts in RightCapital, feel free to watch our other video on linking accounts to your financial plan. You'll find the link for that video in the description below. A few additional notes here before moving on. Firstly, the probability of success that you see here stems from the retirement analysis section of your RightCapital plan. Please note that what you see in the app will be a direct reflection of whichever proposal is currently selected on the left-hand side of your plan. Any changes made to this specific proposal will be factored in. Secondly, you can force a refresh of the information on this page by dragging the entire screen downward. If account balances are looking out of date, this will refresh all of your linked accounts. Next, you might see a notification or two near the top of this page. If there are any linked accounts that are experiencing an error, you'll be notified of that here, and you can even walk through the steps to resolve that error right here within the mobile app. If you have any overdue tasks, you'll be notified of that here as well. We'll talk more about tasks in just a bit. Last but not least, you can tap the gear icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard to find a few additional settings. Here, you can opt in or out of push notifications, find the contact information for your financial advisor, and sign out of your RightCapital account. Now that we've covered the dashboard, let's touch on the other tabs that you might find within your mobile app. Don't worry if you don't have access to every tab that you see here. That just means that your advisor has customized your access to focus on what's most relevant for you and your financial plan. If you need to skip around, feel free to do so using the timestamps in the video description. The Budget tab of the mobile app is where you'll find all of RightCapital's budgeting tools, empowering you to set a monthly budget, stay on top of your spending activity, and even view your transaction history. If you're already familiar with the desktop version of RightCapital, this section of the app offers all of the same tabs and tools as the Budget module within the dashboard area. The Summary tab is where you'll find an overview of your budget progress for the current month. This tab makes it quick and easy to check in on your spending and to make sure that you're staying within the budget targets that you've set for yourself. The Activity tab is where you can take a closer look at your past expenses, income, and more, allowing you to identify past spending habits and zero in on specific categories. The Transactions tab is where the individual transactions feeding into your plan can be viewed and managed. If you have several different bank accounts and credit cards linked to your financial plan, this can be a great way to view all of your transactions in one place. Lastly, the Budget tab is where you can review your monthly budget and update the target amounts for each budget category. It's worth noting that this area of the mobile app is synced with the Budget module in your client portal. When you update your budget or transactions on your phone, those will also update on desktop and vice versa. Our next area is the Investment tab, which provides you with a quick and easy way to check in on the current state of specific investments or your overall portfolio. This area of the mobile app is similar in functionality to the Asset Allocation section within the desktop version of RightCapital. To start things off, what you'll see here is the asset allocation and asset class breakdown of your entire investment portfolio. This includes all of the investment accounts that are linked, as well as those that have been added manually to your financial plan. Using the menu at the top of the screen, you can zero in on a specific account within your plan instead. Tapping on different asset classes here will highlight that section of the pie chart up top, helping you easily identify which asset classes you're most heavily invested in. Moving on to the Tasks tab, this area of the app is where you'll find all of the current and completed tasks that your advisor has created for you. This section of the app works just like the Tasks tab within the Dashboard module of RightCapital on desktop. Within the Current Task section, outstanding tasks will be sorted by due date, with overdue tasks listed first, tasks due soon listed second, and future tasks listed third. As you complete these tasks in reality, you can tap on them and then tap the blue Complete button to let your advisor know that you've finished this task. It will then be moved over to the Completed Tasks page, where you can view everything you've already marked complete. There's a chance you'll also see a plus button in the lower right corner of this area. Tap this icon to add a new task. You can choose the due date, assign it to yourself or your advisor, and write the description of the task. When you're done, this task will be added to the Current Tasks page. Last but not least, the Vaults tab is a secure, convenient way for you and your advisor to share documents and other files. This area of the app works just like the Vaults tab in the desktop version of RightCapital. The shared folder on the left is shared between you and your financial advisor. Any files that you upload here will be visible to your advisor and vice versa. You can open folders and preview files within the Vault by tapping on the folder or file name. You can even download files here by clicking the three dots to the far right of a file. To create new folders and upload new files, click the plus button in the lower right of the screen. You can even upload something from your camera roll or take a new picture to upload. This makes it easy to upload files on the go, even if you can't get to your computer. While there's no limit to the number of files that you can upload, keep in mind that there is a file size limit of 25 megabytes per file. In addition to the shared folder, you'll also find a private folder on the right, which is only visible to you. Just like the shared folder, you can upload files here to store them within your RightCapital plan. Anything that you upload here won't be visible to your advisor. That covers it for our overview of the RightCapital mobile app. Thanks for watching and have a great day.